It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week?
I like
The word of the week is rocket! Yay! A rocket is the special engine that pushes a spaceship up into the air and into space. You can also use rocket in a sentence like this. The space shuttle used powerful rockets to lift the astronauts up into space. Let's watch the space shuttle continue to rocket up to space.
Discovery flying 365 miles per hour, 1.5 miles in altitude, 7 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. Discovery's engines are throttling down as the orbiter passes through the area of maximum pressure on the vehicle.
All right, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey, rocket! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new word of the week